welcome back to our channel. Today, we're checking out a stylish space saver that combines three essential appliances into one sleek built-in unit, the KoolMore CW030SS. It's a microwave, a convection oven, and an air fryer all rolled into one, finished in stainless steel and perfect for modern kitchen streamlining. If you're looking to elevate your cooking game while saving space, this might be your new secret weapon. 3-in-1 versatility, highlight the trio: microwave, convection oven, and air fryer within a single built-in appliance. Ideal for users seeking flexibility in a compact format. Enjoy a range of cooking options, including microwave and convection oven modes powered by 1000 watts, providing flexibility for various culinary tasks. Spacious 1.6 cubic feet capacity, show the roomy interior and 14.17-inch turntable great for medium to large dishes like baking casseroles. This appliance suitable for a wide range of cooking needs. Powerful cooking performance, explain the 1000W microwave function plus robust convection airflow for crispy, evenly baked results. Discuss the downswing door with interior lighting, child safety lock, well-lit cavity, and UL certification, all for a safer user experience. Built-in installation and premium design, emphasize the streamlined built-in form factor, high-end stainless or black stainless finish, clean top controls, and elegant cabinetry integration. Its premium design makes it attractive than others. Easy maintenance, cleaning is a breeze with the manual clean type, allowing you to focus on creating delightful meals rather than worrying about upkeep. Touch on the intuitive top-mounted digital panel, sensor cook, multiple power levels, 10 levels, and one-touch preset convenience. Convection performance and air frying, highlight the convection fan for faster, more uniform cooking, paired with an air fryer function that lets you crisp foods with little to no oil. There you have it, the KoolMore CW030SS elegantly merges a microwave, convection oven, and air fryer into one built-in powerhouse. With its spacious interior, strong performance, and seamless design integration, it's a smart choice for those who want flexibility without clutter. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.